Leading the lineup is the Conrad HL21, a logging beast that turns tackling rugged hills into a breeze. This rig looks a lot like a six-wheel skidder, except it sports a harvesting head on a boom. More precisely, it runs the Woody H61 head, which folds flat so the debarking blades double as a claw. Cutting trees, hauling logs, processing timber, and piling stacks all happen smoothly with this setup. One machine now handles every step for the crew. The trick to gliding over tough slopes. A telescoping feed system, auto-leveling tech, and portal tandem axles. Together, they deliver top-notch traction on the nastiest grades. Visibility stays perfect because the boom sits behind the cab, giving a full 360 degrees swing zone. Winter snow looks enchanting, yet it creates plenty of headaches and risks. To keep the charm while protecting safety and workflow elsewhere. Kalbacher supplies winter gear built for premium snow removal. This Austrian outfit leads the pack in snowy road upkeep. Whether you want plows, salt spreaders, or extra tools, they've got them stocked. Kalbacher's winter lineup keeps every roadway open and secure. But that's not all. They also serve airports and rail lines with cutting-edge designs. Count on them for runway clearing or track snow jobs. Now shift to waste handling. Meet the Vermeer LS3600TX, a low-speed shredder built to chew through light construction debris, demolition scraps, lumber mill leftovers, and city garbage. From concrete chunks and timber to paper and kitchen waste, it crushes everything like a champ. A bundle of smart features makes this possible. It starts with a single shaft layout that runs slower than high-speed grinders. You might ask why anyone picks slower units. Slower means far less dust and racket. Despite the relaxed pace for tighter size control, output never drops. A comb setup plus extra guards keep metal junk from wrecking the works. Next up, the Vermeer T1255-3, a powerhouse trencher for big-diameter rock digging. Since it serves surface mines, it needs serious juice. A Cat C18 Assert Tier 3 engine pumping 600 horses delivers. Even on brutal jobs, the power stays steady. It can carve ditches down to 27 feet deep and 144 inches wide. Thanks to beefy build quality and a dual-path hydrostatic drive with planetary gears, rough ground is no issue. High-stakes rock projects become routine. Add GPS-guided steering for spot-on cuts and almost zero touch-ups. We've covered single units. Now check the Wertgen SPPA series. These inset slip form pavers tackle massive concrete pours. What makes them stand out? Dead flat slabs from 4.5 m to 16 m wide. Models include the SP124, SP1500, and SP600. Each fits different job sizes based on width and depth needs. Every version packs hydraulic and mechanical telescoping frames for fast width changes. Wertgen's leveling suite, loaded with sensors and controls, locks in exact height, depth, and cross-slope. Subsea trenching demands special gear. The Sunfish handles shallow water standards with ease. It lays cables and pipes right on the bottom. Its V-shaped plow slices seabed trenches. Jetting blasts loosen tough dirt, hitting depths to 3.5 m. Typical jobs: burying telecom lines, power cables, or oil/gas pipes in coastal zones. It also trenches links from offshore wind farms to shore grids. Rolling in next, the Mega Bottom Dump Trailer, built for off-road mines. It hauls bulk loads up to 160 tons. High-strength steel and tough parts shrug off brutal conditions and heavy payloads. It manages dense, gritty stuff like stone, coal, or ore. The floor drops open to unload. No tipping gear required. Hydraulics run the gate for quick, Safe dumps. A solid mid-range drum chipper for wood is the Ponzi Lat PTH1200G.IT turns out up to 100 cubic meters of chips per hour weekly. Max log 800 mm a 660 mm drum and 1200 mm cut width boost output. Feed gears, a big throat, and tapered hopper keep material flowing. It needs a separate tractor's PTO for drive power. Cheap replaceable blades keep up keep low. Pair a skid steer with the Beach Master attachment to groom sand. Zones, adjustable depth, wide sweep, and rotating screen plus bin sort and grab debris fast. Works on beaches, ball fields, playgrounds, or riding rings to boost looks and speed. Hydraulic remote from the cab plus skid steer hookup come standard. Clear big rocks or kelp by hand first to protect it. Sand type and wetness affect results. How Technologies builds emergency gear. Their thermite robot fights fires. It backs up crews in hot, dangerous spots safely. Remote standoff control and suppression keep operators clear. Tough frame, killer mobility, and live view cameras conquer rough ground. Modular layout lets you swap tools for the mission. Handles hazmat spills, overhaul burns, interior attacks, or rescue ops. The Southwest bale wrapper tackles square or round bales of hay, straw, or silage. Hybrid build switches types without fuss. Patented laser-guided autoloader spots, grabs, wraps, and drops bales solo. Fast turntable and exact film laydown cut waste and lock and feed. Quality. Simple controls let one person run and watch the job. Built tough for daily farm grind. Multiple models match your volume and options. Tight four-wheel steer slips through rows or barns. Smart auto features / running costs. Rounding out the list, the Kuhn GA15231. A 4-rotor rake for big hay jobs. It sweeps huge swaths into clean windrows fast. Working width adjusts 9.50 m to 14.70 m on the fly. Hydraulic tweak from the seat keeps it smooth. Full hydraulic drive cuts service time. Double crank tines and master drive G3 boxes treat crops gently. Fluffy rows, no leaf loss. Full nutrition. Lift rotors one by one to follow odd field shapes or dodge rocks. Meet the land pack tractor HEIC attachment. Hook it to a tractor or hauler for deep compaction in builds or pits. A dropping weight slams massive energy into the dirt. Result: dense pack in soil, stone, or fill where rollers fail. The Brewer 4000 auto sod harvester shines in turf farms. Auto cutter slice, lift, and rolls slabs while one driver runs the show. No extra crew needed. Output 16-, 23-, or 24-inch rolls stacked on rear pallets by RoboArm. Smooth hauling follows. High-tech but simple controls handle tender sod without tears. The autonomous implement carrier. IC Series wows and AG Robotics. These bot-like haulers tote tools across fields, cutting labor and boosting output. Light frame hauls up to 2,000 kilograms on a mid-Cat 2 hitch yet barely dents soil. Some run full electric on lithium packs. The IC20 HD mixes plug-in hybrid with a 60 horsepower stage 5 diesel. All get 360-degree steering wheels for tight turns and rough ground. Gus autonomous sprayers roll solo in orchards and rows. Each model solves real farm headaches. Self-drive plus GPS hikes precision, safety, and savings while trimming chemical use. Exact rates and speeds hold steady over bumps. No operator in the spray keeps people clear of toxins. Minimus fits narrow vineyards with adjustable boom height / width. Live dashboard shows position, pace, and flow. Home builds need pro concrete work too. ACU Cut delivers. They cut, bust, demo, and fix with laser accuracy. Wall saws, slab removal. core drills for pipes/wires, plus grind and polish for slick floors. Florida-based, they tailor jobs for houses and rentals. To blend looks and function. Back to fields. The Dagelman Rock King clears stones fast. An 8-foot grate, 5 yards bucket, and 7 feet 3 inches dump height cover ground quick. 1 pass grabs more rocks than old methods. Smart separators leave dirt behind. Rugged build lasts through heavy abuse. Finally, the Apollo Generation 2. If you are wondering what this is, it is an automatic poultry catching system. This beast has helped a lot of the workers in this field not only achieve an efficient and faster working experience but also make the whole process stress-free. Its features are worth looking at too. Let's go first with how it handles the welfare of animals. This machine allows the loading of chickens in a natural, stress-free manner, gently deposited into drawers, and avoids direct contact with operators. This stays the same even when it is going through 8,000 to 12,000 birds per hour. Yes, you heard that right. This machine can handle 16 to 26 tons per hour. Despite having so much productivity level, this machine only requires 3 to 4 operators for operation due to its automation and user-friendly design. It also takes pride in how it is designed because this significantly reduces physical labor involved in chicken loading. The 20th machine we will mention is the Toll Incorporated Twin DT4 Shaker. This is a mechanical harvester designed to shake and collect nuts from trees, particularly almonds and pistachios. Traditionally, these trees were harvested manually, but this technique is slow and requires a lot of manual labor. With this shaker, farmers will have an easier time harvesting nuts minus all of the disadvantages from manually doing so. One of the advantages of using this shaker is its reduced need for sweeping. Unlike conventional methods that scatter nuts on the ground, the Twin DT4 features a catching system that gathers nuts directly, significantly reducing the need for sweeping and associated labor costs. Aside from that, it also has smart systems that make each harvest cleaner. The shaker also incorporates a deticker and leaf blower which help keep dirt and debris out of the harvested nuts, resulting in a cleaner final product, even when its design is primarily built for almonds and pistachios. This shaker can still be used for walnuts and prunes with appropriate adjustments. By minimizing sweeping and lowering overall orchard management costs, the Twin DT4 can contribute to increased harvest efficiency and profitability. The inventive demolition machines produced by Japanese construction machinery manufacturer Kelco are well known. Buildings and other structures can be safely and effectively demolished with the help of these equipment. The next attachment system, which makes boom installation and disassembly simpler, and their machines high reach, which allows them to work on even the tallest structures, are two of its key advantages. These devices are made to resist the harsh circumstances of demolition operations thanks to their heavy-duty construction. Additionally, they have engines that use less fuel, which lowers running expenses. Kelco places a high priority on safety in their products, including stability warning systems to avert mishaps and features like top guarding and falling object protection structures to shield the operator. All things considered, Kelco's demolition equipment is renowned for its excellent performance and robustness. The Sandvik MB671 FLP bolter miner, also called the Sandvik MB671, is a high-performing device made specifically for long-wall coal mining. It streamlines the procedure and eliminates the need for numerous pieces of equipment by combining cutting, bolting, and material gathering into a single machine. Under stable ground conditions, the machine's adjustable auto-cutting cycle can reduce panel development times by up to 30%. Because of its unique design features, it is acknowledged as the safest long-wall development method available. The machine can install ground support while cutting the following coal cycle thanks to its special subframe system. Its robust design, which includes wear-resistant parts, guarantees enduring performance in harsh mining conditions. The machine prioritizes operator comfort with features like a wet scrubber exhaust system and a user-friendly design. It also allows comprehensive data recording and monitoring, enabling better control, improved efficiency, and predictive maintenance planning to minimize downtime. Tree planting is revolutionized with PlanMax, a one-pass forestry planting equipment created by PlanMax for our.it can handle multiple jobs at once, such as tilling the soil, packing down the dirt, and sowing seedlings. Under perfect circumstances, the machine can plant up to 40 seedlings every minute, increasing productivity and efficiency and saving forestry businesses a significant amount of money and time. By providing young trees with ideal growing circumstances, it also increases seedling survival. PlanMax lessens the impact on the environment by encouraging effective planting techniques and limiting soil disturbance. It also lessens the need for human work, which helps to mitigate the labor shortage in the forestry sector. The accuracy of the machine and its methods of compacting the soil help to increase the survival rates of young trees. Guntert and Zimmerman produces the wheel trencher known as the Eagle 4500. Which is well known for its ability to trench foundations. It is intended for utility trenching, footing, and foundation work in a range of soil types, with an adjustable digging breadth of 12 to 24 in. The Eagle 4500 can dig up to a maximum depth of 4 ft. It features a direct injection turbocharged after-cooled inline 4-stroke cycle diesel engine with about 115 horsepower that complies with EU Stage 4 emission requirements and US EPA Tier 4 final standards. One of the top producers of debris blowers is Buffalo Turbine, which provides portable and convenient variants with both gasoline and hydraulic power. Their blowers are renowned for being strong and long-lasting, which makes them perfect for demanding settings. Additionally, they provide odor and dust control systems that atomize water using turbines to produce a thin mist that effectively masks odors and reduces dust. This has been Machine's Visit, and we hope you learned a thing or two. Before you leave, please don't forget to show this video some love by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we have new uploads. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.